Hey everybody, it's Rhonda. And in this video, I just want to share a little bit about Leonardo AI with you. Leonardo AI is an image generation platform, features a lot of different models, maybe not quite as many as some of the other platforms, but it does supply you with access to GPT Image 1.5, Dream, Nano Banana Pro, regular Nano Banana, Flux 2 Pro, Ideogram 3. So it does give you access to some of the more popular image generation models. And you also get access to Phoenix, which is Leonardo's pretty much their native generation model, which is really good in and of itself. So I'm going to run this prompt here, digital illustration of a full body grumpy cat, exaggerated features. And you can see over here, I have Phoenix 1 selected. That's their native model. And it's going to cost me 15 tokens to generate this. Now, that is really cheap. 15 tokens for 4 images is crazy, crazy cheap when you get 8,500 tokens a month for like $12. I have a pricing breakdown on Leonardo in my private community that just shows you how cheap overall it is. Now it does vary by the model, obviously. Some of these newer models are pretty pricey right now. If we decide to use GPT Image 1.5, it's going to cost 152 tokens. If we would be using Dream 4.5, 120. Nano Banana Pro is very pricey at 560, and the regular Nano Banana is 160. So even those aren't too bad. And Flux 2 Pro is 249 to do 4 images, and Ideogram 3 is 420. But let's just use regular Nano Banana here, and we'll run this same prompt again. But you see, this did a pretty good job. This is a digital illustration, a cartoonish, exaggerated feature cat. Looks pretty good. It would work very well for clip art or even a t-shirt graphic. But now let's run this in Nano Banana. Okay, and here we go with Nano Banana. That did a really good job too. Super cute, really cute. I love the curly Q whiskers it gave it. It's adorable. Now you can also upscale, you can remix, you can create a video from this image if you want. So if I click on create video, that will cost 70 credits or tokens to generate a video using the model Motion 2.0 Fast. We also have Kling, Hailu, C Dance, Sora, VO. So they have a lot of different video generation models as well, but I'm just going to stick to that one. And let's make the cat tail wag slowly and make him blink his eyes. We don't want anything crazy. I just want a little bit of motion in it. So we just enter that in. And like I said, it's 70 tokens to create a video. Not bad at all, really. And you can choose over here on the left what kind of vibe, what kind of style it gets, lighting, video dimensions, how many. Now, this one I'm not a fan of. He made it pretty quickly. I wanted it slow, but we could use another model and do something else. Now, the real reason I wanted to show you Leonardo today isn't necessarily because I just found this. I've known about Leonardo for a long time. I use it occasionally. But what I did discover recently, and you may not know this either, is if you have a Canva business account, Leonardo AI Apprentice plan, the plan that gives you 8,500 tokens a month, is included free in your Canva business plan. So, if you do have Canva business, take advantage of this. Take advantage of this freebie because not only do you get 8,500 tokens a month, you also have a token bank. Leonardo doesn't roll over infinitely, but it does let your credits roll over where you can save up to, 25,500 tokens. So, there's no rushing at the end of the month to make things that you don't necessarily need or want to make just to use up your credits. They will roll over for you up to 25,500. So it's really, it's a really good deal. I mean, if you're already paying for Canva Business, you might as well attach it to your Leonardo account and get those free tokens, get that free apprentice account. And in order to do that, how you can connect and take advantage of your free apprentice plan is simply come to Leonardo, click on sign in, and use Canva to sign in. And then it will ask if you would like to access your Canva account. That way it can see what level you are on Canva, and it will give you your free apprentice account. All righty. So that's, really worth it. The business plan here is $20 a month instead of 15. So if you even come over here and look at the apprentice plan itself is $12 a month. So if you were looking at Leonardo, your best route would be to use the business plan in Canva and then take the free apprentice plan because you're still saving money rather than having the pro plan and then paying for Leonardo. You pay for the pro plan at 15 a month and then the Leonardo apprentice, then you are up to 15, 25, 27 a month where you could do it all for just 20. So you would save yourself some money. And if you're not sure what plan you're on in Canva, just log into your account, click on your little avatar down here in the bottom left corner and click on settings and then click on billing and it will tell you right there whether you are pro or business. Okay. So I hope you guys, found this helpful. If you are a Canva business user, take advantage of this and sign up for your free Leonardo Apprentice plan. It's well worth it. Well worth it. I really like Leonardo for a lot of different things. I've used them quite often for a long time off and on. They're not my regular image generator, but I have used them multiple times for a lot of different stuff. And you get some very nice generations from here. I'm just trying to show you some of my past generations that have come out very, very well in Leonardo. So, like I said, I just wanted to show you something you may not have been aware of that if you are a Canva business user, that it comes with a free apprentice account on Leonardo AI. So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.